Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to register on KuCoin with a referral code. KuCoin is a popular cryptocurrency exchange that offers a variety of trading pairs and advanced trading features. By registering with a referral code, you can receive discounts on trading fees and other benefits. So, let's get started. Step 1. To register on KuCoin with a referral code, the first step is to go to the KuCoin website, which is www.kucoin.com. Once you are on the homepage, click on the Sign Up button at the top right-hand corner of the page. Step 2. On the registration page, you will see a form where you need to enter your email address, password, and referral code. The referral code is a unique code that is provided to you by another KuCoin user. Step 3. Use our referral code, enter it in the referral code field. Make sure you enter it correctly to ensure that you receive the benefits of the referral program. After entering your referral code, complete the registration form by filling out the required information, and click on the Sign Up button at the bottom of the page. Step 4. Congratulations, you have now successfully registered on KuCoin with a referral code. You should see a confirmation page that confirms your registration. From here, you can log in to your KuCoin account, deposit funds, and start trading cryptocurrencies. And that's it for this tutorial on how to register on KuCoin with a referral code. Remember, by registering with a referral code, you can receive discounts on trading fees and other benefits. Thank you for watching, and happy trading!